Hello, I'm Mary Ann Villalpando. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in business administration, majoring in financial management, and had been working in the solar energy sector for over 5 years. I've been in a work from home setup, following the Philippine time from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. since mostly of my colleagues, my managers, and my clients that I handled are based in the US, where I manage a wide range of tasks that is essential to cost estimations, and client relations. My day-to-day responsibilities includes processing of quotes by reviewing the contract signed by the client and make sure that before I send out the quote, I check it thoroughly and precisely, especially the price and the materials, and input it in our system. I frequently communicate with the customers to address their concerns, revisions, and questions regarding the codes, mostly with our suppliers, including the Amazon, Wesco, and other subcon for material code and confirm if they have materials that they can provide for us whenever we don't have stocks in our warehouse. I was the one to create the purchase order and track the ETA of materials and communicate it with the project management and the technicians. Additionally to this, I actively monitor our Salesforce KPI dashboard for code tracking and reporting. And I also handled our department mailbox to manage the ad hoc and serve as the point of contact for our both internal and external stakeholders. I prepared the weekly huddle on the KPI matrix of my assigned region since I'm the one covering the SoCal and the East Coast regions. Uh, I report what to do with my regions and what is left behind or what has been done with the regions that I handle. I also have some experience with billing and invoicing. So yeah, this has been my day-to-day responsibilities as an operations coordinator for the past few years, and I'm excited with the opportunity to bring my skills to your team.